Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a sway rumba or rumba sway, depending upon who you talk to. You need to know how to do a sway already, and you need to be at least familiar with the idea of doing steps at different speeds. So we're used to doing 2 steps on every count. Sometimes you do 1 step on every count, so it's effectively quicks and slows at that point, and we're going to need that today. So again, links to things that are going to help you with those things in the description below, so it's nice and easy and quick for you to find them, and we'll jump straight in. I'm going to do it from a different angle than usual to show it to you. It looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So let's break it down. If we go back to a more normal angle for everybody, we go right to right, starts like a standard sway. We go back, we wrap the lady in, and guys, we want to be just a little bit behind the lady's shoulder with the right side of our chest. So instead of being tight side by side, this feels more like we've got an offset. We're going to pick up the spare hand because that's going to help us lead, and we will go back on the right. So we go back on the right, and just as we normally would, we're going to go back on the right and then back onto the left, taking 1 count. So we've taken 2 steps over 1 count. So we're now going to go over to the right, so big side step to the right, and we're only going to do 1 step as we go over, and at this point the guy's right foot should be between the lady's feet. Okay, so from here we're going to draw the feet in, and then we're just going to go forwards onto the left and back again, 2 steps, 1 count, then a long step taking a whole count over to the left, and we're going to repeat that. So effectively we're going to go quick, quick, forwards and back, slow to the side, forwards and back, quick, quick, slow to the side, and then to finish we're going to do the same as we did before, effectively quick, quick, and we're actually just doing the end to a normal sway. So we release the lady, send her out, and face, return, and back. Now we could do any of the endings we want on the sway. So if you want to do the fast ending or the slow ending, feel free. So we'll do it again, and this time I'll face you, and we'll talk numbers. So we're going to go back 1, wrap 2, rock backwards and forwards 3, go sideways 4, rock forwards and back 5, sideways 6, back and forwards 7, sideways 8, forwards and back 1, sideways 2, back 3, away 4, face 5, return 6, and back 7. We'll go back to sideways on. Let's see if we can do it together. Here we go. 5, 6, a sway, rumba, it's a back, wrap, back, side, forwards, side, back, side, forwards, side, back, away, face, return, and back. And that is that. Hope you like that and find it nice. It's got a nice feel out on the dance floor, particularly to a slightly slower tune. Do like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Liking promotes the move, hooray. Subscribing promotes the channel, double hooray. And if you hit the notification bell, you'll get told every time a new video comes out, providing you've got notifications turned on. Music recommendation in the windows in the last few seconds of the video, something nice to dance to. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.